Now, the nominations for the 64th Grammy Awards were announced earlier today. Now, this sees dancehall artist Spice's debut album, 10, Etana's Pamoja, Gramps Morgan's Positive Vibration, Live and Livin' by Sean Paul, Jesse Royal's Royal, and Soja's Beauty in the Silence all being listed as reggae nominees for the 64th Awards ceremony. Spice celebrated the accomplishment by going live today, where she thanked all her besties for their continuous support.
Besties, I love you. I love each and every one of you. If I could just travel the earth and hug each and every one of you who I see cry on the internet for me, who fight for me, who speak this into existence, who told me that this was possible. Yo, they said it would have happened.
Spice's 10 was released in August and featured the hit track Go Down There with Sean Paul and Shaggy. Etana also took to social media where she thanked the creators of her album Pamoja. Congrats to all the reggae nominees. The 64th Grammy Awards will be held next year, January 31, live from Los Angeles. Miss Jamaica World 2021, Kaylia Hall left the island over the weekend to compete in the Miss World pageant in Puerto Rico. Kaylia will be competing alongside 109 contestants in this year's pageant. This includes first-time entrants representing Iraq and Somalia, as well as representatives from countries like Cuba, Estonia, Guinea, St. Martin, who are returning to the competition after being absent for a period. The Miss World pageant is slated for December 16. Dancehall artist Chanel Muir is set to leave Good Good Productions label come November 27. The record label made the announcement on Monday. According to the label and Muir, the decision to part ways was a tough one, but it was agreed that it was the best course of action for both parties at this time. Also, in the statement shared by Muir's Top Gal Entertainment, she stated that the journey with Good Good Productions was a good one and the door is open for them to collaborate in the future. Muir was signed to Good Good Productions for 17 months, during which she released the hit single Same Guy with Danique. Chanel is also known for the breakout hit Yamabella. I am Daydream reporting for E! Prime.